You take the moon and you take the sun.
You take everything that seems like fun.
You stay all up and when you're done.
Rada, 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 rada.
So come on in, feel free to do some looking.
Stay a while, 'cause something's always cooking.
Come on in, feel free to do some looking.
Stay a while, 'cause something's always cooking.
Yeah!
Food. Food. Today we're gonna be making shakshuka.
Yummy, yummy.
An onion, half a bell pepper, typically either gonna be red or orange. I'm using red this time. Then you're gonna need some minced garlic. You're gonna want kidney beans, some eggs, adobo, Sazon, tomato paste. Ideally you would have sofrito, but I happen to not pick it up this time. We're gonna start with half of the bell pepper. To go with the full bell pepper, but change that to taste. Next we're gonna cut the onion.
They're like a soup, but we don't make broth or soups. Don't forget to wash your llamas after you're done. So there's an onion.
Yeah, what dirty.
Yeah, dirty. Must use all their strength to open the jar, like. On to cooking. I can't see. Alright, now you want to set the pan to a medium heat. Somewhere around there. That's fine.
Yep, you're gonna want a grease fire.
Yeah, grease fire. It's a lot of grease.
It's for a fire. Okay, for this step, we're gonna put all of the blue pepper into the pan. Okay, and then once you have it in the pan, you're gonna let it sit for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we're gonna add the onion next.
You do want to like stir occasionally. Anyways, we're gonna take our food and do a little. Otherwise, just let it cook. Now we're gonna add our onions.
Gonna want to let them cook for about another 3 to 4 minutes, or until they start getting slightly translucent. Shut up with your crying. Don't forget to stir occasionally, so it doesn't stick and burn. Once the onion starts to caramelize, you're gonna want to add about a tablespoon of garlic. I think. We normally use cloves, in which I'd say about 2 to 3. You want to stir and let it cook for about 1 minute, and then we'll start to add the seasonings. The next step is where you would add 2 tablespoons of sofrito, but we don't have it. You add the rest of the seasonings at the same time. You're going to add about a tablespoon of adobo and a tablespoon of sazon.
Cook until fragrant.
Or about 2 minutes.
It to stay.
You're going to drain the kidney bean juice and then add the can to the pot, followed by half a can of water.
Don't forget to stir.
And then the half can of water.
Bring it up to a boil.
It'll take a second. Use hotter water for better results, not to shock it.
Add a can of tomato paste. A can?
Yeah.
A full can?
Yeah, 8 ounces.
Next, you're going to add a can of tomato paste.
Where's your llama?
What is... I don't think we have to have a llama in every shot. Okay. We add a can of tomato paste.
Now you're going to want to boil most of the water out. It will take a little bit, stir occasionally so it doesn't burn.
Don't forget to stir.
Now it's ready when it can pretty much hold its shape. You want to be able to make little crevices in it and not have it immediately fill back in. You thought I was going to drop
That was
it.
good. That was a good save.
I juggled that one like 6 times in the air.
Dude. That was good. That was good.
Yeah.
God damn. Now it is time to add the eggies. I'll crack them. And my husband will make the little wells in the shakshuka.
Alright. You're going to pull it back.
Plop.
And pour the egg into the hole.
We're gonna do 8 eggs.
Nah, we might not be able to fit 8.
We're gonna do 7 eggs. 6 eggs. 7 eggs. Okay.
I'm happy to crack it.
I'm waiting for you to pull it back.
It starts to fall. You gotta crack it first.
Five. Give me a bigger one. Yeah. 6. One more.
Yeah, so I was going smaller.
And I'll put the lid on!
It should look like that. And you're gonna let it cook for 6 minutes.
Yum, 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 yum.
And then it's ready to serve.
Yum. After 8 or so minutes,
This is what it should look like.
And now we plate and serve. You can put it over a bed of rice or really do anything you want with it. It's pretty good on its own.
Today we're gonna be making shakshuka.
Yummy.
Today we're gonna be making shakshuka.
Yummy, yummy.
It's all crunchy.
I was gonna say it's so crunch, very ASMR,
Yeah,
very demure.
It's very fresh.
For once, we have like fresh bell pepper.
Oh god, dude, I hate cutting fresh bell peppers.
Do like a slice from tip to like shaft.
Like drag.
Yeah, like drag it,
This
drag
is
it.
a little fucking crisp to drag it. I'm scared to cut my. Should I do a few cuts up close, like they do?
Yeah.
Okay. God damn. The fuck is that? Dude, what kind of onion is this?
I feel like you just forgot all of your onion cutting skills as soon as the camera turned on.
That's you!
I know, I'm trying so hard not to like breathe heavily. Make me cry.
Tears. Oh, the tears. They hurt. I'm sad.
So many people are gonna judge how we cut onions.
Mm-hmm.
Does it matter? No, not really. I mean, we're all gonna die one day.
Exactly. Talk to the llama hand.
Like you could cut onions any better. I mean, I'm sure you can, but fuck you, I'll stab you. Oh wait, I can't say that.
Well, we'll probably cut that out. I'm gonna leave it in. And we'll pretend that it was planned. And you didn't just do some shit you shouldn't. I mean, stuff you shouldn't do.
God, we can't stop cussing.
Fuck you. Shut the fuck up.
Stop! You're gonna get us. Well, I guess we're not monetized in the first place.
Yeah, we're not monetized. We can curse as much as we fucking want. Skibbity slicers.
Oh.
Also, I don't think we're gonna have much audio from this part. Most of this is gonna cut out. Since, I mean, you're cutting an onion.
Yeah. It's just we have, like, some pretty bad clips.
And then you go, poof! You're gonna start a grease fire. Throw that.
Yeah.
Look at the pan. So don't forget to stir it occasionally. You really want to get it moving around, and maybe not like boiling oil.